So you got a fresh cut, waves looking clean, but give it a few hours, maybe a day, and your waves is not hitting the same. They looking dry, they not laid, your connections ain't hitting. If this happens to you, you're not doing what you need to do after the cut. And I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to be doing after you get a haircut. I've been through this plenty of times. And once I started fixing what I do after my cuts, that's when my waves started staying consistent. And I noticed immediate progress even right after my haircuts. Most beginner wavers think, I got a haircut, my waves look good, I feel good, and that's it. But it's not. For a waver, a haircut just resets everything, especially after a long wolf. And if you don't follow it up properly, your waves is not going to be hitting like they should be. So let me break down exactly what you should be doing. The first thing you should do right after your haircut is brush. Not later, not after you chill, ASAP. You just got your haircut. You got better connections, stronger depth, all that. Why wouldn't we get right into a brush session? So don't rush it. Take your time, slow and controlled brushing. Grab a medium brush and get your session in. You're setting a new foundation, and that's how you continuously make progress. Next, you need to moisturize. The day before you go and get a cut, you should always get in a wash and style. Your cut's gonna come out cleaner, your hair is gonna be clean, and this is gonna make the whole cut 2 times more fresh. But that's also why you wanna moisturize after your cut, because your hair is gonna be dry. You wanna moisturize your scalp and rehydrate your dry hair. You just got a fresh cut, you liven it up. But this is where a lot of people mess up. They just throw product in and they don't do anything with it. Get that moisturizer in there, but then you want to lock in that moisture. For a lot of people who feel like their hair dries out fast or their hair is always drying out, whatever the case may be with your hair drying out, it is because you are not locking in your moisture. So after you use the moisturizer, you want to go ahead and seal that in with an oil. The oil is going to lock in that moisture, what is going to allow your hair to stay hydrated for a long period of time. And that's just one thing that a lot of wavers don't know. And if you're not using hair oil, sealing with the oil, the hydration of your hair won't last. Now, this is the part most people always skip. You brushed, you applied your product, but now you need to compress all that. Use a do-rag to lock it all in. Compress it, and this is what's gonna keep your hair laid. Before you rag up, go on with the lay down pad, lay down glove, plastic bag, but always compress with the do-rag. And now I get it. You just got a cut, you're feeling good, and you want to show that off, which you can. But at least always compress for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Especially after cut, especially after a session. Compressing is what had them waves remain laid and looking smooth and looking clean. It's all about the compression of holding them waves down and keeping them locked in together. If you skip compression, wearing a do-rag, you're missing out on progress. And all the work you do is pointless. Some tips for your post-cut routine. No random brushing or blind brushing. Always use a mirror when possible. Follow your pattern. Same consistent angles. No dry brushing. Stay moisturized. Don't overuse product. A little goes a long way. And never skip compression. As a waver, there's always a routine. There's always daily maintenance. There's always something you could be or should be doing, especially after a haircut. The haircut alone won't save you. It's always about what you do after. If you follow this after every cut, your waves won't just look good when you leave the barber. They'll look good for the week ahead. They'll stay laid all day, even without compression. If you're curious about any products that I use, everything will always be linked in the description. So if you got any value out of this video, always be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Stay locked in.